Let us talk about the Zoom H4nPro today. I will show you how to format the SD card in the device. Here on the right side we have a scroll wheel that also works as a button when you push it in, and we have a menu button below that. After we push the menu button we scroll to SD card. Look at that. If you push the wheel in now we see how much time and memory is available on the card. Press menu to get back to the previous menu. Scroll to format and confirm yes to format the card. The recorder is going to be ready after it restarts. Next, let us try a factory reset. Push menu and scroll to System. Push the wheel in and scroll to Factory Reset. Select Yes, and push the wheel in. Then we wait for the recorder to reset. Watch me change the time and date setting on this recorder. I don't think I have to explain much how this works. Once you understand the scroll wheel select and push procedure, you should be able to change all the settings you want. I hope this video is of some help to you. Happy recordings! Consider to like and maybe even subscribe to my channel.